I came across a story on the news about a man named Bob. This is Bob, the owner and creator of Bob's Train. Off the beaten path, tucked away in Sarasota, Florida, is a unique and nostalgic experience full of heart. Bob's Train, established in 2004, is a restaurant and museum made up of 4 85-foot railroad cars. 3 cars were previously owned by the Ringling Circus, and 1 car was the personal car of John Ringling himself. Ringling was an American entrepreneur who is best known for being a part of the Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey Circus, an American traveling circus known as the greatest show on earth, which ran from 1871 to 2017. I didn't know what to expect before going to Bob's Train, but I had a feeling it was going to be spectacular. So I decided to gather up some friends and check it out for myself. And man, was I right. It was pretty spectacular. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be checking out a train restaurant called Bob's Train. We just got to Bob's Train, so we're gonna go inside. We just finished eating. How was your food?
Really good.
You guys ready?
Yep.
You see that picture there, that lady and tiger? I took that. I go in the cage with tigers and lions.
Did you?
Oh yeah.
You took that picture?
I took the one back here too.
Wow.
You see how big a tiger's head is compared to a human head.
Yeah.
And that particular cat I could talk to and scratch and do all that. This one back here was trying to kill me.
Oh yeah?
Her eyes are squinty, her ears are down. This is the Ringling's very first printing plate for the combined shows, 1919, and I made a copy of it. It's hand engraved.
Oh wow.
And it's Madison Square Garden in New York with the animals coming down tube by tube from the Noah's Ark. This is John Ringling at 18 as a clown in a vaudeville show 2 years before they started Circus.
Well, that was pretty cool. But it's a restaurant and a museum of all kinds of photos that he's collected over the years, and we got to meet Bob himself. He's pretty cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and see some of the Amish community and check that out, maybe get some ice cream. We went to a store called Yoder's and got some whoopie pies. I guess that's what they're known for. So we're gonna try those and head home and go swim at the pool. I'm so tired. We just got home from adventuring around today and checking out Sarasota. It was actually a really fun time going to check out Bob's Train, so I highly recommend that you guys go there. It's very affordable, the food, and the aesthetic of it is just really cool, and it's a unique place to go eat. So if you have a family or somebody that you would like to take there, or just go by yourself like I would, I highly recommend that. And then it was cool to shop at the Amish store and kind of learn a little bit about the Amish community. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I post pretty much every Monday. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!